Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ruling out software causes. First, turn off night light, F, lux, or any blue light mode. These shift white toward yellow. Next, open display settings and choose the sRGB or default color profile and set color temperature around 6500K so whites normalize. Once done, restart the laptop and boot into BIOS or safe mode to see if the yellow tint remains. If the tint disappears there, you know a driver or app caused it, so continue to the next steps. Now focus on graphics and profiles. You should update or cleanly reinstall the Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA driver. Use Device Manager to uninstall and then install the latest vendor package. Next, open Color Management, remove any custom ICC profiles, and run the Windows Color Calibration tool so gamma and white point reset. Once done, connect an external monitor to check if the yellow persists. If the external display looks normal, suspect the internal panel or its cable rather than system settings. If software and drivers are cleared, move to hardware. Power down, remove the bezel, and carefully inspect and reset the LVDS/EDP cable. A loose or damaged ribbon can shift colors. If reseating doesn't help, try another known good panel or have a technician measure backlight spectra. Aging LEDs or a failing inverter on older models can create a warm cast. If you still see yellow after these checks, contact HP support or an authorized repair shop for panel replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.